Now we can actually move to Hugging Face and look at some of the spaces that are available here. So we are in Hugging Face right now. I go to spaces and let's check out this fast stable diffusion. Here you can see that using Gradio, you can create these complex interfaces. You can add a lot of different features here. So, and here in the tabs, we can see different features. So there's a text to image. So if you have this prompt, it will create something like that. If I generate again, it probably creates something different. So yeah, we can use this prompt, and each time it will generate a new picture for us. I can try a different prompt. Let's say a village made of mushrooms. These are the positive prompts and these are negative prompts. So you don't want them, for example, you don't want it to be 3D, you don't want it to be cartoon, you don't want it to be anime, you don't want to have deformed eyes, nose, ears, or nose. Like nose is twice. So we can get rid of that. It also doesn't really apply to a village of mushrooms. So yeah, let's just say I don't care about that. I just don't want it to be 3D, anime, or cartoon. So let's see what it creates. And you can see there are all these different settings that we can use the interface to let the user set. So it makes it very convenient for the developers as well as the users to interact with the model in a graphical way. And yeah, we see this image. It looks interesting. I like it. How about, I said it's red mushrooms. And I actually want it to be anime. So here I can add another keyword that I want it to be anime style. Now let's see what image it creates. Interesting. It looks interesting. Or I can just say mushroom houses and see if it makes houses looking like red mushrooms. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. It does a good job. All right. We can also try the image to image feature. So you can choose different sampling methods for the image. You can do some different settings. I'm not sure what. So there are many different spaces available. Let's see, video retaking. This one isn't running. What is Wonder 3D? So apparently it turns 2D images into 3D. So if I pick this and click generate, they may take a while, but we'll see how it works. And many of these models, as you can see, they already have different examples provided here, so you can just play around with the examples that are available. Similarly, there are different settings that we can change to see how the model's generation is going to be different with different settings. Okay, so now we have the reconstructed image. I'm not sure what it did. So if I save it, it's just a PNG. Well, basically what it did was just removing the background. Did a good job at that, at least. So let's see, is it creating the 3D object down here? We can wait and find out. Okay, so it's trying its best, and we should remember, to be fair, it's only one image, and it's trying its best to create a 3D mesh. I mean, I would say this is pretty impressive. Like, kind of getting that this is a human head. There has to be like hair, like from different angles. And I am impressed by just one image only from a face. It's trying its best. And there are all these different images, these sample images that you can try. This model is illusion diffusion. What it does is that you can choose an example of a certain pattern, and you give it a prompt of what you want this model to build, and it can generate an image that gives you the optical illusion similar to one of these patterns. We can also upload our own pattern here, but for the purpose of this demo, let's say I'm choosing this pattern and my prompt is maybe a mountain in a desert. And let's run it. This model tries to create an image of a mountain in a desert, which gives you this optical illusion. So yeah, here we go. It actually, it is pretty impressive. Yeah, so definitely if you make the picture smaller. So we can see that based on our prompt, it created an image of a mountain in the desert, which gives us the illusion of this pattern. So thank you for watching this demo on Gradio with me. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.